Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to get free courses online for free. For free. I know a lot of people might be looking at it that, is this thing possible? How can I get free courses online? Well, there are free courses online, but you actually don't know where to get them. I know to most people, applying for financial aid is actually the best way for them, which is actually going to take a lot of time for them to approve you. But there are other ways to get free courses online, and that is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please take this moment and hit on that subscribe button, and also turn on that notification bell to get notified whenever we drop tech related content like this. All right, without further ado, let's go straight to the video and see how to get free courses online and also earn a certificate. Let's see.
So the name of this website is MindLoster. MindLoster. So I'll go to mindloster.com. Get to mindloster.com. I'll click here, and then obviously it's going to take me to my account. So I have my account here because I've registered already. So if I click on popular courses, I can select any course I want to learn. Let's say for instance I want to learn Python programming language. I'll click on Python programming language, and here you can see it says it's a programming track. I have 15 lessons, and I'm also getting a certificate for free after I complete any course. So please make sure when you are taking any course, make sure to complete them, and also fulfill all righteousness. Don't take one course without finishing it.
Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you gain value this video, don't forget to drop a like and also hit on that subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop tech related content like this. And also, if it works for you, please drop a comment in the comment section.